Now we're going to show some more possibilities that we have with Extruded Boss base. So here we have this sketch. So let's extrude this sketch. So let's go to Features and Extruded Boss base. Let's select this sketch and let's increase the depth like this. So now we can see that the extrusion goes normal to this sketch. If we want to change the direction of the extrusion, we can do this by selecting some edge or a sketch. So here in this dialog box, we can choose direction of extrusion. So let's click here and now let's choose this sketch here. And now we can see that the direction of the extrusion is along this line here. And now we can increase it and we can decrease it like this. Now we can go to direction 2 like this, and you can see now that the extrusion is also along this sketch, along this line. And now let's exit. Now let's go to the top plane and let's create a new sketch. Like this. Let's go with center rectangle. Let's create some rectangle here. Like this. Let's click OK. Let's go to Features. Let's go to Extrusion. Let's increase the depth. And now let's choose for the direction of the extrusion this sketch here. So you see it's also possible. This sketch here, this line doesn't have to be connected to the sketch that we are extruding. So let's click OK now. And now we got this result. Now let's go here and let's create a new sketch here on this face. Like this, and let's go with center rectangle. So let's create a sketch like this. Let's click OK, let's go to Features, and let's extrude this normal to this face, like this, and let's click OK. And now we got this result. Now let's go to Features again, Extruded Boss base. Now let's choose this sketch, like this, and now for the direction of extrusion, we're gonna choose this edge here. And now as you can see, this is also possible. You can choose any edge or any line. As well, we can delete this. We can choose this edge here. And now we got this result. So those are all possibilities that you have with Extruded Boss base, and this is how you can change the direction of the extrusion.